How to install Windows 11 in Intel Core 2 Duo. In this video, I will show you how can you easily download Windows 11 in Intel Core 2 Duo device. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly you need to head towards the Rufus software in your device. As you want to firstly create Windows 11 installer, so use the Rufus software and create an installer. After you are done creating an installer, you need to boot the USB device and then you can get started with Windows 11. Now, as your device does not have the property requirements as Windows 11 wants, so you can simply use the lab config method to bypass all the requirements. After that, once you have applied the lab config method, you are good to go to set up the Windows 11 in your device. So that's it. That is how easily you can download Windows 11 in your device with Intel Core 2 Duo. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.